In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mail merge in New Outlook. By the end, you'll know how to send a single email that arrives as an individual copy for each recipient, so no one sees anyone else on the thread. This is perfect for announcements, invitations, and quick updates where personalization isn't required. First, open the New Outlook and start a new email message. Begin by adding a clear subject line so recipients immediately understand what the message is about. Think of this as your template email, one message that will be duplicated for each person. Next, go to the Options tab in the ribbon. If your ribbon is minimized, expand it so you can see all the available commands. You're looking for the mail merge controls located in this Options area. Now, select Start Mail Merge. This tells Outlook you want to send individual copies of the same message, rather than a single message addressed to multiple people. It's a small step that makes a big difference in how the email is delivered and viewed. In the To field, enter the recipient's email addresses. Separate them with commas or semicolons, depending on your Outlook settings. Keep it to the To line. You don't need CC or BCC for a mail merge like this. Double-check spelling, remove duplicates, and avoid mailing lists that might expand unexpectedly. This ensures each recipient gets exactly one copy. Compose your message in the body of the email. Write it as you would any normal message, keeping the tone and content consistent for everyone. If you need to include files, attach them now. Each recipient will receive their own copy of the attachment, so keep an eye on file sizes and your send limits. Short, clear content and lightweight attachments help your emails arrive quickly and reliably. When you're ready to send, click the small down arrow next to the Send button and choose Send Mail Merge. That's the specific option that triggers Outlook to send a separate message to each address you entered. If you accidentally press the regular send, it will behave like a standard group email, so take a second to confirm you're using the mail merge option. You'll see a confirmation prompt letting you know that each recipient will get their own copy. Review the message, confirm the action, and Outlook will take care of the rest. The result looks personal and professional, without exposing your entire recipient list. That's it. You've just completed a mail merge in the New Outlook, simple, controlled, and efficient. Thanks for watching.